What's wrong? Oh no! You gonna roll over? You gonna do it? Your brother saw you on the ground. Here he comes. Oh, that's nice, Grayson. Oh, you love your brother. What happened? What happened, Tegan?
He doesn't like it so much.
He'll get used to it.
Hey, Grayson.
Say hi, Tegan. What happened, Tegan? All done? Oh, gentle, please. Oh, gentle. Okay, thank you.